Betrayal is not your identity, it's theirs. Do not spend the next 5 years paying for someone else's bad decision. Welcome back to The Signal. This episode is about what millions of people have lived through, an unfaithful spouse. Before I begin, I want to read something that I wrote. It's called The Moment You Knew. There are wounds that bleed. There are wounds that no one will ever see. This was the second your soul came apart. A punch to the chest. A knot in your stomach. Your heart trying to outrun your body. Your mind screaming, no, this can't be real. You couldn't breathe. You couldn't think. You couldn't even cry. You just stood there, numb, empty, broken. In one cruel moment, the life you believed was gone, because there's no pain quite like discovering the person you trusted with your heart was holding the knife. If you've lived through this betrayal, you already know, but I want you to hear this. The betrayal is not your identity, it's theirs. Do not spend the next 5 years paying for someone else's bad decision. It's time for you to make that decision today. Do I stay or do I move on? If you decide to stay and try to work things out, I pray that it does work out for you. Me personally, I chose to move on, and I chose to rebuild. It wasn't easy. Some days were hell, but I know that God can restore a broken heart. In 1 Peter chapter 5, verse 7, it reads, "Cast all your anxiety on him because he cares for you." God truly does care for you. Put it on him. Pray often. And then start rebuilding physically, mentally, and spiritually. I chose to start pumping iron. I go to the gym, I call it my therapy. I put my ear pods on, I focus on just pumping iron. Whatever yours is, but get to moving. Start reading your Bible. Get closer to God. Start doing new things. Build yourself up. Do things for yourself. Give yourself time to heal. A healed heart makes better decisions than a broken one does. So don't jump into another relationship that quick. It's the beginning of a new chapter in your life. One that God can write better. One that God can do improvements on. One that you have to look forward to. Don't give up. Keep moving forward, and God bless you. Thank you for joining me on The Signal. We'll see you next time, Lord willing. Godspeed.